Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I hope you love everything you see and you stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this super tall rustic centerpiece. You're going to be needing 5 of these picture frames from Dollar Tree. They're like boxed frames. They're 4x4. 4 of these tin vases, I guess you could call them. Also, you're going to be needing 2 of these square mirrors. Clean them, of course, because mine are super dirty. And then also this burlap ribbon with the lace in the middle. And also some nautical rope. And then I also have this floral foam, but I'm going to use one that I already had so I didn't have to buy it. So I'm just going to take some of my white acrylic paint and my brush, and I'm going to paint all of my frames. On these I did do several coats of paint, and I noticed that the ones that say memories and the ones that say friends, because there's 2 different words on there, they have a different texture to the box. So again, I had to go over it several times. On this one I just did 1 coat of paint. I didn't mind if the silver came through because I did kind of like that streaky look to it. So after everything was painted, I just took 2 of these vases and then I got my E6000 glue. Nope, not E6000, my hot glue, and I glued end to end, and I make sure to align the sides of it. If you can see, there's like a crease to it. And then after that, I went ahead and took some of my ribbon and just covered up that section so you won't see it. So I didn't use E6000 glue on this part just for the sake of the video, but if you guys are going to be moving these around a lot, I would suggest you put E6000 glue just in case, but I think the ribbon will be a good enough attachment so that they don't come apart. For the bottom part though, I did put E6000 glue and hot glue, and that's going to go right over the frame. I did go ahead and glue 1 piece of rope at the bottom part here, and then I also glued one around that piece and one above, and you'll see what I mean once I go along. For the top part, I went ahead and took 1 piece of that burlap ribbon and I cut it halfway, so like right through that lace, and then I just put it around the lip of the vase. And this is actually from a different DIY that I did that I'll link above, and it already had the foam, I already had the flowers, so I just went ahead and stuck it right through there and started rearranging the flowers. For the candle holders, I did basically the same thing as I did with the vase. So I just took my E6000 glue, hot glue, and then I glued it onto the frame and put the rope around it as well. Now I'm going to attach this next frame onto the top of it. So as you can see, it was kind of loose. So I put some hot glue in the creases of that back part and then a bunch of glue on the bottom, and I put the vase on there, and then I also put some more glue around the edges so that it holds really well. As you can see, I did put some of that burlap ribbon at the bottom, and it was the same way. I cut it halfway and then the entire piece towards the top. Now here I'm just putting some hot glue, and I'm going to go ahead and glue my mirror to it. Alright you guys, so here is the final look. I just added a candle to each one of my candle holders. As you look at it, they kind of remind me of lighthouses. Let me know if you guys think the same way. So it does kind of have a nautical look, but also a rustic look. I think these would be perfect for a wedding. Any wedding centerpiece or decor would look fabulous. These I'm just going to keep on my table until I think of something else. But for now, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know again if you like this in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe. Also, leave me a big thumbs up because it's really going to help me to keep going. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.